Hey everyone, it is me, E, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a 100 subscriber thank you special. I actually hit 100 subscribers last month at some point in February, and so I wanted to make this video to thank my subscribers and to celebrate this milestone. I'm hopeful that in the future I'll get even more views. I will say that every single like, comment, and subscriber really makes a big difference to me. I just run this channel in my spare time and for fun, and so to see people engaging with the stuff that I make makes a huge difference and is very motivating for me. Obviously, I don't make any money off of this YouTube channel, and I won't for a while, if ever. So it's really, like I said, just for fun, and the more engagement I get on this channel, the more encouraged I am to make more, because that's kind of the point, is to share my thoughts and opinions and my art and all that with all of you. And I think it's particularly special that people even care at all about the things that I say or think or do. You know, most of my videos don't get very many views, maybe 12 or 15 for a good one even. And even that's kind of awesome to me, that there are that many people who click on my videos and watch them. I think that the fact that anybody watches them and that all of my videos aren't sitting at 0 views is really cool. So that said, for this video, you may be able to tell that I am making amiibo cards. The reason being, I thought, a lot of my 100 subscribers probably joined up because of Animal Crossing content that I was making back in, March and April of last year, when the game Animal Crossing New Horizons was first released. I did a lot of Animal Crossing content back then, and I got a lot of views on some other amiibo videos, so I thought that this would kind of be a way to honor where I think a lot of my viewership comes from. So in this video, I'm making the Sanrio characters. I just picked 2 of them, Marty and Etoile. If you don't know, Sanrio is the company that makes Hello Kitty, and they collabed with Animal Crossing several years ago for Animal Crossing New Leaf, or maybe for Pocket Camp, and they produced 6 new characters and amiibo cards for that collab. They were only ever available in Japan, but coming soon in March, these amiibo cards will be available in the US for the first time. I think you can purchase them in Target, and in the meantime, they're not really functional in game. You can just use them to get posters from Harv's Island, but I believe later this month in March the game will be updated so that you can actually invite these Sanrio characters to come live in your town. I'm not sure if I'll do that because I like my villagers and I don't really want to get rid of any of them, but I might invite them to Harv's Island just so I can see how they look in game, because I think that they're really cute. The 2 I picked are Marty, who's based on Pom Pom Purin, and Etoile, who's based on the little twin stars, I think is the name of them. I'm not the biggest Sanrio fan, but I do really like Hello Kitty, so I'm excited about this collab, and I'm happy that these characters are being introduced to New Horizons. So for this 100 subscriber thank you special deal, I decided that I would do kind of a giveaway. If somebody in the comments would really like to have an amiibo of a particular Animal Crossing villager, I'll be happy to make a amiibo card for you and send it to you. So the way that you can enter this giveaway is by dropping your Instagram handle in the comments of this video, and make sure that on Instagram you have the ability to DM turned on. I ask that you be at least 18 years of age, or you have your parents' permission, because you have to be willing to give me your address so I can mail it to you. And I will work out the details with you of what character you want and stuff like that in the Instagram DMs. And I will pick out a handful of people. I don't want to pick too many because I'm going to have to make the cards myself. So I'll pick out a handful of people to send my handmade amiibo cards to. And like I said, you can just leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle, and I will pick out a handful of people, message them on Instagram, and we will go from there to pick out which villager you would like to have an amiibo card of. I will say that this giveaway will be for my subscribers only, because this is supposed to be a subscriber thank you, and if you're not subscribed, I guess the thank you doesn't really apply to you. I'm still thankful to you for watching my videos and for engaging with my content, but if you'd like to participate in the giveaway, please subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll be eligible. And I will say too, you probably shouldn't pick one of the Sanrio characters if you are a winner, because these will be available in Target in a few weeks. So it's not like the rest of the Amiibos that are really hard to get your hands on these days. They may be reprinted soon, but for now they're really hard to get a hold of. So I will be happy to make one for you and send it your way for free, of course, as a thank you for being a subscriber to my channel. A lot of my subscribers, like I said, came over for Animal Crossing content when the game dropped back in March last year. But I think a lot of my subscribers maybe also joined up during my Disney Channel original movie review series that went throughout the summer last year. And I've gotten subscribers even since then. So if you are a subscriber of mine, I would be interested to know in the comments down below when you subscribe to my channel, what video you first watched of mine. And also, if you have any suggestions for future content from me, I'd be happy to hear those suggestions. My Steven Universe Top 10 ranking video was actually based on a subscriber request. So if you have any ideas for my channel, you should leave them in the comments below, because there's a decent chance that I will follow through with that. Obviously, I can't get to every request, and some people request things that I don't really have much knowledge of. I'm not very knowledgeable about. But if you leave me a suggestion in the comments down below, I'll be happy to take your suggestion into consideration and maybe use it in a future video. And of course, I want to say as well, I only have 100 subscribers. I don't get very many views on my videos, but I still have a lot of fun doing this. And like I said, this is just for fun. I obviously don't make any money off of my YouTube channel. If you are in a similar position where you have video ideas or you just want a new outlet for creativity, I would highly suggest you start up a YouTube channel, because it is a lot of fun, and it is fun to see people's comments and engage with people. And it's just a new way to kind of express yourself. Even if you don't get very many subscribers or views, it's still fun, and I'm having a great time with it myself. So don't be afraid to get started somewhere at some time. I think that you can really enjoy yourself doing it. And you can find free video editing software online. It's not illegal, it's made free, so you don't have to feel bad about downloading it. And also there are video editing and thumbnail editing softwares online that are free, like Canva, or other things like, I think Snappa is another one that's free to use. And they're all very easy and user-friendly. So you should give it a try there. You don't really need anything special. If you have a phone or something like that, you can film on that, or a digital camera you can film on. Most people have those things, so there's really no reason not to get started and not to try. Well, that's basically it for this video. We're coming to the end of my amiibo making process. I'm sticking the NFC stickers on the back, and I'm choosing a scrapbook paper to serve as the backing for the card. And then the last thing I do is I basically take packing tape and use that as a sort of pseudo laminate for the card to seal it in and keep the design safe from water and stuff like that. And I make my little fake amiibo logo to put on the back so I know where the NFC sticker is. And I tested these in game, they do work. Like I said, I just got a poster from Harv's Island for these cards, but once the Sanrio characters are added to the game, it'll do more, but for now it just gives you a poster. But at least I know the cards work. I know that making amiibos is hard right now because I think A lot of the websites that have the bin files for Amiibos have been removed from the internet, so it's not possible to download them right now. So hopefully I can help a few of you out in getting your dream villagers moved into your island. But anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you again if you're a subscriber, and if you aren't, go ahead and subscribe and join in on the fun. I post videos pretty much every Friday and then sometimes on Tuesdays as well. And I think that we will all have a lot of fun together. And that's it, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye!